Conversation between traffic police and passenger. Traffic police. Good morning. Can you please stop your car? Passenger. Good morning, officer. Is there a problem? Traffic police. Yes, you were driving above the speed limit. Do you know the speed limit here? Passenger. Oh, I did not notice. What is the speed limit? Traffic police. It is 40 km per hour, but you were driving at 60. Do you have your driving license and vehicle documents? Passenger. I am sorry, officer. Here are my documents. Traffic police. Thank you. Let me check. Everything looks fine, but please follow the speed limit next time. Passenger. I am really sorry. I will be careful in the future. Traffic police. That's good to hear. Next time, I will let you go with a warning. Drive safely. Passenger. Thank you, officer. Have a good day. Traffic police. You too. Take care. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See the next video.